What if that death is then imposed on you? I go back to what happened on Easter Sunday in Sri Lanka.
You have set up the menu, but you're surprised when it gets served on your table.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to this conversation with Sadhguru. My work as a journalist, I often find myself in some of the most troubled places on earth, and I realized just how little I know about living and life and how much there is to learn from Sadhguru. If we look at what's happening in this country with Brexit and identity politics, is that not dividing us more and more?
I've learned and I study yoga for years, and I never heard about Yogi except from you.
Oh, you thought Madonna invented yoga, is it?
So what do you think of organized religion then? This talk tonight is done in partnership with Head Talks, which is basically the TED Talks of the mind, and we will be talking a lot about mental health as well as in our society.
Heart is also allowed. Heart is also allowed.
Heart is also allowed, great. We'll talk a little from the heart as well as the head.